Hi, fourth graders. Today I'm going to review with you the doubling and halving strategy. Remember from way in the beginning of the year that if we have a problem or an equation, for example, 24 times 25, we can double one number and cut the other number in half, or divide by 2 and multiply by 2, we can get the same answer. But let's take a look to see how it really works. So if we have 24 times 25, that is, I'll give it to you, it's a hard one. That is 600. Okay, that is 600. Now, to prove that doubling and halving works, I should be able to double one number by multiplying it by 2 and halving the other, or dividing by 2. So I need to make sure I'm looking at my numbers. I have 24 and 25, okay? We can multiply any number by 2, but we can't always divide a number by 2 without a remainder or without something left over. So I have to look, which number can be cut in half? I notice that 24 is an even number, and I know that even numbers can be divided by 2. So I'm going to divide 24 by 2, and 24 times 2, or divided by 2, is 12. And I'm going to multiply 25 times 2 to get 50. Okay, and what do you know? 50 times 12 is 120, or is 600. We should always prove it, so let me prove it to you. I'm going to use the bump method for this one. I have 12 times 50. I'm going to bump that 0 over. Okay, I know 5 times 2 is 10. Carry the 1. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. And drop that 0 back down. Hey, what do you know? 600. All right, so we can do that again. Now, you want to think again. Which number should I double? Which number should I have? If I double 12, I get back to 24. And that means I would have to have 50, and I would get back to 25. So I don't want to do that. I kind of want to stick with what I've done. Since I cut 24 in half, divided 24 by 2, and I multiplied 25 by 2 to get 50, I'm going to kind of stick with that pattern. So I'm going to cut 12 in half, or divide by 2. So 12 divided by 2, we all should know, is 6. And 50 times 2, which we all should know again, is 100. So we have 6 times 100 equals 600. So you can see that if I double one number, like I did with 25, 50 to 100, I doubled that number. And if I divide by 2, like I did 24 to 12 to 6, by doubling a number and having a number in my equation, I get the same product each time. On the next slide, you will get an opportunity to try some yourself. Good luck.